160 amp high output alternator. Sitting pretty. Hey, your tires are ready, but I have one question. What is good, everybody? We have our new 160 amp high output alternator. Our old one's here, and although it was working, throwing in that power steering pump and other accessories that we've put on the car so far, I don't even know how old that one is. I figured we might as well beef it up. So we have that. Speaking about the power steering, somebody left in the comments of the AN hose video that those hoses I'm using are wrong, and at full lock they may blow out, at least the high pressure one. I have seen other people do it the same way I did it, but as soon as I read it, it really made sense that, you know, I made those by hand tightening them, and real high pressure lines, it's done by a machine, so it should be a lot stronger. But we have ordered another one. It is coming in, so we'll swap that on as soon as it gets in. So back to the alternator. We have a plug-in on top. We have a plug that gets tightened down here. We have a little ground, and then we have a big ground. A lot of people say that you have to take off the coolant line. So what I like to do is slide it up underneath the car, and then from above the car I can reach down in there, lift it up, and put it in the spot without having to take off my coolant line. Alright guys, our new high output alternator, 160 amps, sitting pretty. We got the new serpentine belt on. If you could twist it 90 degrees, you want no more, no less than that play, or a ½ inch of up and down wiggle room. We have 4 plugs in the back, 1, 2, and then 3, 4 down there. 3 of them need to be screwed on. One of them is just a regular plug-in on top. I think in the morning we're gonna go get some new tires for the spares and wait for this new hose to come in for the power steering before we give it a real send. It's super early right now, and it's cold, so we gotta get some coffee first. Fam, I was so excited to upload last week's private event video that I completely forgot to announce the winner of the round 2 $50 giveaway. Congratulations goes to Charlene Styles on winning that. If you liked how we did this video this week, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. So James from Discount Tires calls me and he's like, hey, your tires are ready, but I have one question. Can you bring the 240? And my initial reaction was yes, I'm about it. However, I would normally put them in the front seat, but you guys are in the front seat, so yeah, we're taking the truck. We got the tires. He was a little disappointed that we didn't bring the 240, but fuck it. I'll bring it by another time for him. So we went with the Century Touring. They were the cheapest that Discount Tire had to offer, so the only place to go is up from here. We'll see how these do. Alright, D&D fam, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.